it to me. I'll wear.
Hi Supriya, how are you?
Sir, yeah, I'm good.
You're good.
Please take your
Thank
seat.
you. Now you are a popular artist, man. The recent film that you have done has become a super duper hit, man. Anyways, congrats from my end.
sir.
Oh yeah, take a seat. I have recently heard that you have got a lot of projects.
Yeah.
Is that true?
It's all because of Almighty,
Good.
sir.
Supriya, I have a glad news for you.
What's that?
The next film which I'm going to do, you will be the heroine in it. As a special case, I have recommended your name to the producer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
It's a great opportunity to act with you, sir. I'm really blessed.
For the story discussion of that movie, I have arranged for a get-together at Taj Hotel. You have to be there on time. I want you to come alone.
Sorry, sir. I'm not used to that kind of get-together and all.
What's this, Supriya? See, these things are common in the film industry, man. Acting means acting. Think that you're doing an act in this, that's all. I've specially booked a suit room in it.
Just shut up. If you want to get a good chance, I have to remove my clothes in front of everyone? I am not that type.
Supriya, in this film industry, new faces like you has to do several adjustments to reach to a higher level. Why are you irritated with men like this? Huh?
If I like someone who likes me a lot, I don't even mind to sleep with him. I never have a problem to give birth to his kids. But without my knowledge, if somebody touches my body, then I will just kill him.
Hello. Yes, this is Supriya's house. Supriya has gone for shooting in Kerala. She'll come back only after 2 weeks. Balance Tamil film shooting is fixed here, is it? How is that possible? Do one thing, you call Supriya and speak to her. Okay. Then shall I keep the phone?
This costume should be okay. Yeah, fine.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Sir, I would like to talk something.
Sit down. Tell me.
I'm really sorry to talk to you like this. Sir, tomorrow morning I have a shoot in Chennai. Just now I got a call from them. It's for a song shoot. They already fixed the releasing date.
Okay.
Can I get 2 days permission, sir?
Actually, Supriya, if you go, then we will not be able to take shoot.
Please don't say like that, sir. If I won't go, it'll be big trouble for me. Please, just for 2 days, sir. This is my humble request, please, sir.
Okay, but you should give an assurance that you will come within 2 days. Otherwise, we'll get into a problem. All of us will sit idle.
No, sir. I'll be on time.
Promise?
Promise. Thank you very much, sir.
Supriya, Film Weekly people are waiting here for you for a long time. Just give them an interview.
Oh my God. I'm not used to giving interviews and all, sir. I'm very scared.
Why do you worry about that? They will just ask you a few questions and you have to answer whatever you know.
Okay, sir.
All right.
Yeah, ask me.
Madam, from the beginning onwards, you are doing all types of glamorous roles. If you continue doing this, won't you be fed up with this?
Actually, everybody liked my first movie. Because of that, everybody is calling me for the same kind of movies. Even I like to do better than this. I love to do that.
Okay. Madam, are you a God-fearing person?
Yeah, of course.
Nowadays, women are being projected so much in the society and it's a trend.
What is your opinion about Mother Teresa?
She's my favorite personality, Mother Teresa. I would like to do good works like Mother Teresa.
How can you ask me like that? This is the way you behave with an artist. This is not right. And also I have to go to Madras today itself. 9:30 is my flight time.
Madam, I can understand your situation. But if you stay here, then the producer will bring money. He has to pay me 1,20,000 rupees. For the past 3 days, he's absconding.
But what is the use of trapping me like this? Do I book your room, huh?
Madam, you are the only solution for this problem. Unless producer brings some money today, you will not be allowed outside. I am helpless, ma'am.
Okay, sir. I will give it. Okay, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
That is not our problem. We have to get back our money. And this is the only solution for that.
What's the problem upstairs?
Some shooting people were staying over here. They didn't give us some money. So we have to stop Supriya from going. That is what this noise.
No, madam. I don't want any excuses for that. Please try to cooperate.
Supriya?
Don't behave like this, okay? If you don't let me to go, otherwise I'll call the police.
Call immediately so that we can get back our money. Anil,
Yes, sir.
lock the room.
Don't lock the room. I have to go.
Mr. Rajesh, what is the problem?
Sir, this movie's producer has to pay a lot of money to us. For the past 3-4 days, he's absconding. To get back our money, we are holding back, madam.
What the hell are you doing? If the producer doesn't pay, why should you retain the actress in the room? After all, she did not book it. She is a celebrity, you know. If she takes up legal action, you have to stay in the court itself.
Tomorrow morning, I have shooting in Chennai, sir. If I don't go, association will take the action against me.
Oh. What is the amount that he owes you?
1,20,000.
Okay, that amount I will pay now. Let her leave. When the producer makes a payment, give it back to me.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Anil.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Excuse me. Actually, I didn't recognize you.
I am Ram Kumar. I am an exporter.
I frequently come to Chennai.
I even have an office there.
Oh, really?
I have seen most of your movies. Immaterial of which language you have acted, I have liked it all. I like your acting.
Thank you, sir. Sir, actually, I'm late. You must call me when you come to Chennai.
Sure.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi. Ram Kumar, sir. Oh, come in, sir. It's really a surprise. Come in. Please sit. 1 minute. Please sit down, sir. Actually, it's very small house. Did you get back the amount you paid for me?
Not yet. After that, I could not go there itself.
That day, if you had not paid that amount, it would have been a big problem for me. Everyone were waiting for me over here.
Sir, would you like to have some tea or coffee?
Hey, no, nothing. I just had my breakfast now. See, Supriya, if I tell you something, please don't take it to your heart.
What's the matter, sir?
An actor like Supriya should not live in a house like this. That can affect your career itself.
Even I like to shift from the small house to bigger one. I don't know whether it will happen. But the remuneration I get, it's not at all enough, sir. This house is rented one.
Then can I give you a suggestion now? Supriya, you can shift to my bungalow temporarily. Whenever I come home, I just stay for 2 and 3 days, that's all. Rest of the days, it's usually closed.
Oh, no thanks, sir. If at all I'm shifting from here, it will be to my own house. That's my wish.
So what is the problem? Just think that it is your own house. Otherwise, Supriya, if you have any problems living for free, give me the rent. I will accept it.
This house is very lucky for me, sir.
Okay. In that case, let your mother or someone else stay here. How's that?
I will consult with my mom.
Hey, come on. Please go and get the luggage outside.
It's really fantastic. Beautiful.
These are not normal paintings. Very expensive. There is only one bedroom downstairs. Master bedroom is upstairs. Catch. The 2 bedrooms are here. That is the office room. It's lying vacant. This is the master bedroom. Listen, I'll leave to Bombay by tomorrow evening's flight. I'll be back only after 2 days. If you need anything, please call. This is my card. Supriya, I have an advice for you.
What's that?
Supriya, you're not doing your best. In your career, you have to concentrate more. After I return from Bombay, we'll call all the media people here and plan a good coverage. Okay?
Things like it's going to rain today. Supriya baby, are you ready?
Ready, sir?
Vijayan, Can you just cut the glare?
Madam, what is this? What is this? Is this my size? Go! What is all this? Go!
I'm ready, sir. Can you just call the artist?
What is all this? You didn't wash it?
Ma'am, the
What
shot is
this?
ready.
What shot? Go!
Ma'am, the shot is ready.
You go get some water for me.
This is the continuation of yesterday's shot, ma'am. Your brother is loving Supriya and you're neglecting it. And due to this reason, you're making a big scene. When you're about to insult her, she will hit you.
Huh?
Hope you understood. Murthy, sir, can you come and brief the dialogue to them? Okay, sir.
Sir? Do you need all these things in this particular scene, sir?
Why? Why are you asking?
That is, if I act in this scene, my image will be spoiled, sir.
Your image will go? How is that?
A senior artist like me getting a slap from a new heroine like her, my fans will never accept it, sir.
What is this, Aparna? This is only an acting, no? If an heroine is coming to act, there should be a demand in acting to that character. She is the best artist for that role.
What you said is correct, sir, but this is my personal request, sir. Can you just avoid the scene?
What, Aparna? Why are you talking such things? What is your real problem?
Sir, she was my servant maid, sir. It's quite disgusting to get a slap from her.
Sir. Whether she was my boss or I was a servant, when she comes for acting, it's a duty to cooperate with her co-star.
Being a senior artist, you shouldn't have talked like this at all. Here the person who's going to hit you is not Supriya. This is just a character in this film.
Sir, please.
Impossible. Please don't waste your time. Go and get ready now. Or else I have to go to the union and file a complaint against you. Murthy,
Sir.
come and teach a dialogue.
Okay, sir.
Ready?
Ready, sir.
All lights. Start camera.
Rolling, sir. 13/1, take 1.
Action.
What right you've got to get married to my brother? A cheap, characterless woman and a prostitute like you. As long as I'm alive, I will never allow it. You stupid girl, get out of my house.
Cut. Very good. Lights off.
This is a very costly foreign wine. When I was in Bombay, my friend gave it to me.
Oh, no thanks, sir.
Hey, the alcohol content in this is very low. Not only that, having wine every day is very good for your health also. Hey, just take a sip.
No
If you
way.
don't like the taste, it's okay.
No, I don't want, sir.
Come on. Taste it. Drink it. Hey. Hey. Oh my God.
It tastes like grape juice.
Give that. I'll pour you more. Here. Hey, you're drinking wine as if this is water.
Shut up. Oh.
Hey. Hey. Hey, careful.
Sir, it seems like a job.
You just enjoy the feel.
I want to sleep for some time. Otherwise, I'll be flat. Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Supriya, you got up early?
No, sir. Just now waked up. I'll bring some coffee.
Supriya? Many, many happy returns of the day.
Thank you, sir. You kept in mind this day.
How can I forget a famous actress's birthday so easily? Open it and see.
Diamond necklace. This is my precious gift ever I got.
No. Supriya, from now on, you should not call me sir. You can call me RK. I would prefer if you call me RK. Do you know that today is very special? From today on, Supriya, you are a part of my life. Not only that, even in my business, Supriya, you will be an equal partner. From the time Ramkumar came into Supriya's life, her career graph was upwards. Using his contacts in Bombay, she acted in Hindi films too. And after that, she became one of the most sought-after actresses in this country itself.
This will be a great movie, sir. It will be a mega hit. Sir, if you don't believe me, then I will write it in bond paper and give it to you. Okay?
But director has not told the entire story. You have to hear the balance also.
So this is just an outline you have told me. Which means you are going to start the complete story just now. Okay, come on. Then why are you waiting? Come fast!
Supriya.
Cut it!
Good evening. I'm Rahul.
Hi.
Good
I will
evening.
never miss to watch your movies. I'm a big fan of you.
Thank you. From where you're coming?
We are doing computer engineering from SRM College.
Uh-huh.
Let me be very frank. It was my dream I should meet you someday.
Oh,
This is
really?
my memorable day for me in my life. Ma'am, autograph please.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. Can you write on my heart please? If you write over there, it won't fade off.
Hey, tell me the truth, bro. You're going to Chennai to see Supriya, no?
When I get chance to go to Chennai, then how can I miss to see my favorite actress Supriya?
But do you think she will allow you inside her house to see her?
Nothing is impossible for this Rahul Ram. So the rest I will talk after I come from Chennai, okay? All the best. Happy journey. Thank you.
Who's that?
I'm Rahul. Have you forgotten me? Ooty, shooting spot, autograph.
Yeah, I remember. Rahul, why are you here?
I came to attend interview in American consulate.
Oh,
Madam, are you staying here?
yes. Why are you asking that?
No, nothing. This is my home.
This is Mr. Ramkumar's house, right?
Yes. He's my dad.
Come in. Sit down.
I never knew, madam, that dad has rented this house to you.
It's been 2 weeks since I've come to this house.
Oh, that's very nice. Ramkumar Bangla will become famous the moment they know that you are staying here.
1 minute. Rahul, you sit down. I'll be back.
Okay.